This here is the Samsung Odyssey Plus, an amazing headset with incredible visuals. Now, the only problem is that quite a few people have complained about the comfort and especially about their forehead hurting after long sessions with this headset. Now, this is where this mod here comes into play. This is the Studio Form Creative Odyssey strap, and this strap allows users to wear this more like a baseball cap. And in this video, I'm going to give you my verdict, and it's coming up. Hi and welcome to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang. If this is your first time here, and if you're just as excited about VR and AR as me, then subscribe now and click on the bell button so don't miss anything. So this is it, the Samsung Odyssey Plus, an amazing headset, and at the moment you can get it for incredible $299, down from $499. So this is great. This is a great price, and it's a steal and actually a must buy. So why is it so? This display looks so good. It looks way better than the display of the Rift S. It's an OLED screen, so you have very dark blacks and popping colors, and very important, you got the IPD adjustment. So everyone can play this, even people with the huge IPDs and those with very small IPDs. Very nice. However, the only thing that people complained about is the comfort. So quite a few people complained about their forehead hurting after longer play sessions, since, well, all of the weight of this device normally will rest on your forehead because of that halo strap design. So also people complained about light leakage and all of these kind of problems. So a couple of weeks ago I had introduced to you the VR cover, for the Samsung Odyssey, and the VR cover is a must buy. There are absolutely no more light leakage problems, and it does make the whole headset even more comfortable to wear around in the face area. But it did not yet solve the problem about the forehead hurting, and this is where this here comes in. This extra strap here, which you can easily Velcro on just like this. This is the Studio Form Creative Odyssey strap, and you can get it for $26 from the Studio Creative website. You can find the link in the description below. Now what does that do? It basically changes the design of this headset. It's not anymore the halo kind of design, but it's more like a baseball cap design. So you can simply put it on, and this here will now take most of the weight. So for the weight distribution, you don't have all the weight on your forehead, and this is really good. And well, I have tried it over the last few weeks. Actually, I've had this for quite a while, and I can tell you, yes, this will make your forehead pain go away if you had problems with this before. So yeah, let me show that to you. Let me put it on right now. So here we go. I don't even have to put this like really tight anymore. I can really just wear it like a baseball cap, and it is super comfortable. First of all, the combination of VR cover and the Studio Form Creative strap, it's just a great combination. And for all people who own the Samsung Odyssey, I highly recommend this combination. First of all, the VR cover, no more light leakage, really very comfortable in the face area. And then for this strap, like allowing you to simply wear it like a baseball cap and not having this pressure on your forehead all the time. This is fantastic. And for the halo strap, some people even didn't know how exactly to wear it. So unfortunately, Samsung has kind of dropped the ball here with the Samsung Odyssey Plus in terms of comfort. So definitely, I would say that for $26, this is very much worth the money. So for all of you who are wondering right now, hey, should I get the Samsung Odyssey Plus now that is discounted to $299? And well, my answer is yes. These things completely solve the comfort issues, but you should absolutely get the VR cover and the Studio Form Creative Odyssey strap to improve the comfort. Now, probably you're wondering, okay, so $299 is amazing, it's a good price, you have the great display and stuff, but you have the Windows Mixed Reality tracking, right? And it's supposed to be like so bad. So I can tell you, yes, the Rift S tracking is without a doubt better, but actually the Windows Mixed Reality tracking, it's not so bad at all. Really, it's much better than its reputation. And to show you that, I played a round of contractors to show you that yes, you can aim down the sides, and yes, you can have lots of fun with this headset. So here we go. And that's me in my beloved living room playing some contractors with the Samsung Odyssey Plus. And here, the first kill, aiming down the sides. And as you can tell, it works. And as you can tell, my right controller is kind of close to the headset. It doesn't touch it, but it is quite close. And again, aiming down the sides, killing the enemies, being very successful at doing so. So let's walk a bit further, see what other enemies are there. And yeah, here the next one, aiming down the sides, no problem at all. So as you can tell, this is the distance that you should have with the right controller to your headset, and it works without any problem. And as you can tell, I can also reload the gun. So without a doubt, the Windows Mixed Reality controller tracking is better than its reputation. All right, let's do one more enemy and then let me show you a bit more of the tracking. Right, here we go. Aiming down the sides. All right, have a look at the shadow here now. With the shadow, you can see the controller tracking quite well. Everything works fine. Just now, there was a problem, right? I was looking down and I had the controller above my head, and then it would lose tracking for a moment. But once it gets back into my field of view, everything is good again. So most of the time you don't have problems, because most of the time you simply look into the direction that you shoot at. So as you can tell, actually the Windows MR tracking is not a problem. Yes, if you want to beat it, of course you can beat it. Look to the right and point the controller to the left. But you know what? You will also lose tracking with the Rift S if you do it. So in general, the tracking is fine and you will have so much fun with this. And for $299, it is simply a steal. And if you have access to that price, if you are in the US, you should go for it. If you are outside of the US, you can still get it by using the Big Apple Buddy service. And well, I have left a link in the description on how to go about it. You can use the code Mixed Reality TV to get a $10 discount on it if you would like to use the Big Apple Buddy service. So again, the Studio Form Creative Odyssey strap is a very useful strap that will change the Halo style to more of a baseball cap style. It is super easy to install. It's really just this Velcro that you would put on like that, and then you got it. All right, I believe that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. So very, very much recommended what I showed you in this video. And well, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, do so now. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.